Hello kids, welcome to the class of English class 1. The chapter number is 4. A Happy Child. Poem. So kids, now it's time to sing a poem. About the poem, poem किस चीज के ऊपर है? The poem A Happy Child is the poem of a child who play and laugh the whole day. Let's read the poem. So kids, यहाँ पे एक poem है जिसका टाइटल है A Happy Child. इस poem में एक child होता है जो खेलती है as well as वो पूरा दिन laugh करती है. And now let's read the poem. Read and enjoy the poem. My house is red, a little house, a happy child am I. I laugh and play the whole day long. I hardly ever cry. So kids, उसका हाउस रेड कलर का होता है जो छोटा सा होता है और वो जो है खुद को एज अ हैप्पी चाइल्ड कहती है. एंड वो लाफ करती है, पूरा दिन खेलती है और हार्डली कभी कभी क्राई करती है. I have a tree, a green tree, to shade me from the sun, and under it I often sit when all my play is done. So kids, उस चाइल्ड के पास एक ट्री है जो ग्रीन कलर का है एंड वो जो है उस ट्री को शेड से प्रोटेक्ट करता है सन की हीट से. एंड वो अक्सर जो है उस पेड़ के नीचे बैठती है क्योंकि जैसे ही उसका सारा प्ले फिनिश हो जाता है वो रेस्ट करने के लिए एंड सन की हीट से बचने के लिए ट्री के नीचे ऑफेंटली जाके बैठ जाती है सो दैट उसको शेड मिले. So kids, this is a happy child who is playing. Words to know. Happy, showing pleasure. Happy का मतलब होता है pleasure show करना. Whole, all of a thing. Whole यानी एकदम complete. Hardly, with difficulty. Hardly का मतलब होता है किसी difficulty के साथ. Shade, darker part of picture. Shade का मतलब होता है जो picture का darker part होता है. Done means completed. Comprehension, section A, objective questions, oral questions. So kids, we will answer these questions orally. Answer these questions orally. 1. Who laugh and play the whole day? कौन जो है laugh करता है और पूरे दिन खेलता है? A happy child. 2. What is the color of the house? House का color क्या है? Red. A. Write true or false against each statement. 1. The child hardly ever cry. जो child है वो hardly ही कभी कभी cry करता है. True. 2. The color of the tree is green. Tree का color green है. True. 3. The tree protect to the child from the sun. Tree जो है वो sun से बच्चों को child को protect करता है. True. 4. The child play whole day. जो child है वो पूरा दिन खेलता है. True. B. Complete the poem. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको poems में से कुछ lines given है उसे complete करना है. I have a tree, a dash. I have a tree, green tree. Dash from the sun, to shade me from the sun. And under it dash, and under it I often sit. Dash play is done when all my play is done. And kids, the poem is complete. Section B, written questions. C, write the next line of the poem. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको lines given है and उस line की जो next line है poem में वो आपको लिखनी है. My house is red, a little house, and the line after this line is a happy child am I. I laugh and play the whole day long. I hardly ever cry. D, write the answer. 1. What is the color of the happy child's house? Happy child के house का color क्या है? It is red in color. 2. What is the color of the tree? Tree का color क्या है? Green. 2. What is the color of the sun? Sun का color क्या होता है? The color of the sun is bright yellow. 4. How is the child a happy child? एक child happy child कैसे है? The child is a happy child by laughing and playing whole day. Five. What does the child do often sit under the tree? The child often sit under the tree to shade from the sun. Section C, language. E, words power. Read the following words aloud. So kids, इन words को मेरे साथ loudly speak करिए. Little, house, happy, child, laugh, day, long, cry. Write the meaning of the following words. So kids, in words ke let's write the meaning. Happy means joyful. Long means lengthy in size. Heart means unable to break. Cry means shed of tears. Shade means darker part of an object. Done means completed. Grammar world. The names of people, places, animals and things are naming words or nouns. So kids, जो people, place, animal और thing के names होते हैं, that are known as the naming words, or you can say those are the nouns. Names of people. So kids, here you have given the examples of the names of people, which include Chirag, Akshay, mother, father. All these are the nouns and they come into the category of names of people. Names of places: house, school, Goa, Mumbai. Name of animals. So kids, the name of the animals are also nouns and they come into the category of animals name, and the examples are cat, dog, Bruno, kitty. Name of things. So kids, the name of the things or objects are also the nouns. For example, tree, book, pencil and bag. Now write the nouns in the correct columns. So kids, here you have given the mix of the nouns. You have to categorize into the different columns, like into the people, places, animals and things. So let's start. Mother is the name of people. Park is the name of places. Table is the name of thing. School, again the name of a place. Toast, the name of a thing. Dog, dog, name of an animal. Cat, again the name of animal. Sister, name of people. Child, name of people. And son, it is name of things. Section D, creative work. The following have lost their babies. Trace along the maze using different colors and find them. One has been done for you. So kids, यहाँ पे जो है सेंटर में आपको एनिमल्स के बेबीज गिवन है और ये जो है इन अपने पेरेंट एनिमल्स से रास्ता भूल गए हैं यानी खो गए हैं. आपको जो है डिफरेंट कलर्स को यूज करके करेक्ट पेरेंट एनिमल को उसके चाइल्ड के साथ मैच करना है विद दिस मेज. सो किड्स, for your understanding, one example has been done for you. So kids, this is cat and the child is kitten. So it has already been matched. Next is dog. So we will start like this. Then we will go like this and we have reached. Now the second is cow and the child is here. So we will start from here, then we will go like this, then this and here and we have reached. Next is butterfly and the butterfly, the child is caterpillar. So we will start from the here, then we'll go like this, then like this and again here and we will go down and like this we have reached to the caterpillar. So now kids, now change the color. Kangaroo, the child is here. So we will start from here, and we will go like this, then like this, and so kids, similarly जो है आप rest of the animals को भी with using the different colors उनके child के साथ match करोगे. So kids, this is kangaroo animal, this is lion, this is duck, and for these rest of the 3 animals you will do on your own. Thank you kids. I hope you enjoyed the learning. See you in next class.